Okay, welcome back. Sokomo Woodwork. I'm DJ Geiler. That you're seeing on the screen is a birch log. It is spinning. It was a log. It will become round, and then it will become something useful. And today's useful thing to take away from it is the fact it's going to be like a little birch change jar. But the shape I was going for was kind of like a cartoonish bag of money. I think at the end of the video, I'll have some pictures up of it. So what's new? Huh? How's everybody been? Been good? Yeah? Alright. I have too. Making some changes when it comes to how videos are done and the content, I believe is the correct term. That's the word that the kids are using these days. So this video is actually being edited and put together using PowerDirector 16. They're not any kind of sponsor, anything like that. I just, in case you're wondering, in case you're wanting to do videos yourself, that's what I use. I got friends that also use Filmora. I got friends that some people still use Windows Movie Maker. For me, it was PowerDirector 16. That was the app I had on my phone. It was just PowerDirector. So how I used to do the videos all the time, and I still use my phone from time to time, but for the most part, I'm going to be branching into doing more traditional, actual using cameras and editing equipment. So that's where we're at. Let's see. Let's run across the socials real quick. A lot of you may know, may not know. I am on Facebook. I know. I'm up there. I'm on Facebook, DJ Geiler, and then I have my page, Sokomo Woodwork. I would love for everybody to go over there and give it a thumbs up, give me a follow, give me a like, give me a check for money. I don't know what all am I supposed to say here. Obviously, I'm on YouTube, and you're able to find me here with that. So while you're here, if you haven't, please sub. Hit the sub. You don't have to. And here's the thing. Here's my rant. Okay, about YouTube. You can sub. I could go out and I could sub 20,000 people. I don't have to get notified, but I'm gonna sub them. Why? Because they're trying. So I get notified every time I get a new sub. If you're on YouTube, I sub back. I sub for sub. That's my rule. I'm on Instagram as well, and I post quite a bit on there. And what's the other one? Is there another one? No, there's not. So Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. My email is sokomowoodwork@gmail.com. If you'd like to get a sticker, a really cool sticker, one of my business cards, which look even better than the sticker, to be honest. Or maybe just write a letter. Let me know, how you're feeling, what's going on, what you did last summer, I'll write back, tell you I did the same thing last summer I did this summer, just work. And what else? Oh, SokomoWoodwork.com. You've seen in the beginning that I am a proud member of the Makers Media Network. Yeah. And I don't know if it was Makers Media Network or Makers Network Media. It's Makers Media Network, MMN. Proud member with that. What we got going on with the bowl? Oh, I'm taking the guts out of it right now. So it's starting to become a bowl. I finished this thing off. I ran through the grits on it just a little bit. I did like a 120, 200, or 220, 220, 221, whatever it took. And then I think 3. And then I broke out the Yorkshire grit. And that stuff, my God, is amazing. I should have got it a long time ago. But I'm glad I have it now. yeah, other than that, I think we are at the end of the video. Thanks for this 5 minutes of time. I do appreciate it. And then once again, sub, like, follow, fist bump, write me a letter. I'll send you stickers, all that kind of stuff. But most importantly, just thanks a lot. I do appreciate it, and be safe.